Hello pool players, got a good video for you here. Real short video, but what you see here is a break, an 8-ball break. Now the cue ball got kicked up into that corner, but it would have been around mid-table had it not have been kicked. One of my subscribers had a question: how do you pop break an 8-ball rack? Now in fact, that's one of my favorite breaks. I shoot it on the 9-foot, the 7-foot, and the 8-foot table. And I'm going to show you that here in just a second, but let me let you know this. If you're a new subscriber to my channel, a lot of times I'll do videos like this. What you're about to see is me responding to that subscriber's question through video, rather than just type out something in the comments. Sometimes I'll make a short video clip to better answer the question by you as a subscriber. So without further ado, now let's check out this break shot. So here's how the pop break is executed. I like to be just off center of the table, maybe a couple inches to 3 inches. If I'm out on the table here, like on a 9-foot table, I'll bridge with my hand high so I'm hitting down on the cue ball. On a shorter 7-foot table, I'll come back to the rail, and the rail helps me be elevated as well because I'm already on the rail. This being an 8-footer, I'm going to go up here close to the kitchen line, and I'm going to use that bridge I just talked about where I raised my hand up. Now the key is I want to hit down on this cue ball. I want to hit it real center, and I want to hit center on that head ball on that rack. I want to fly into it. And that was a pretty good break right there. I got kicked, almost got scratched, but look at how open that is. So give that a try. It's going to really help, but you got to hit down on your cue ball and follow through. And if you found this video to be helpful, please share this video as it is beneficial to my channel. And if you want to see another helpful tutorial, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.